Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding how should you start preparing for the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. See, this is a very important question, and in addition you need to have a very good understanding about how should you start. Why? Because whenever we start off with a preparation of any examination, we need to understand like how should we start. Having to take that very first step, and that too in a correct manner, is the most important part for your preparation. It is the most important stepping stone for your preparation. So I'll try to give you the insights regarding how should you start preparing. And if you ask me, my personal advice to you would be analyze the previous year question papers and understand the syllabus that is prescribed by the CSIR, so that you can understand that how actually you have to move forward, how or what are the major requirements of this examination. To understand the syllabus, you need to have a grip over the previous year question papers. I'm not asking you to solve the question papers on the first go. No, just read the question papers. It would help you understand that from which area the questions are mainly asked, so that whenever you are targeting that particular topic in the syllabus or in the preparation time, you can understand that yes, from this particular area the questions are mainly framed and I have to focus on this area more than the other things. So analyzing the question papers and understanding that what the actual syllabus demands from you is the first step for your preparation. Then the second step for the preparation is to understand or to collect down or to narrow down the resources. As and when you start to prepare for this exam or any other examination, you will understand that the market is full of resources. You will see an ample number of resources available to you in which you can jump upon and start your preparation. But you have to first narrow down and list down your resources, so that you can have a consolidated thing in your mind, in your hand, and then you can start off. For example, if you wish to go for the standard books, go for standard books, but understand that these standard books be your reference material and you would not be diverging yourself from these. So consolidating and narrowing down the list of the resources on the first go is very important. It would help you out to be on the right path, to be in the correct direction of the examination as and when you proceed. Then in addition to that, you also have to have a very good grip over your online resources. You'll see a lot of online resources, you'll see a lot of content available on YouTube and other platforms. You need to have, or you need to narrow down that as well and then start preparing. You should have a very good frame time or the time frame in your mind that okay, I have 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, or whatever is your time frame, and then start preparing in that same manner. Start to have your own targets. For example, I'll be completing plant physiology in 10 days or 15 days, whatever is your time frame. But try to have both the micro targets and the macro targets. For sure, it would help you out to understand your time frame in your mind, and then you can work accordingly with the same pace. And then we have the step number 3, that is planning out or taking that complete action. When you have analyzed the previous year question papers, when you have analyzed the syllabus of the CSIR exam, you have your resources, you have your online and each and every resource in your hand, you have set all of your targets. Now kickstart your preparation with the enthusiasm, with the zeal of why you want to qualify. Because As and when we start to prepare, we need to have that why clear in your mind. Like, why do I have to qualify this examination? What are the opportunities or what are the career advancements that I would be having if I qualify this exam? So having that where, what and why in your mind clear for the CSIR UGC NET examination, you are all set to prepare, you are all set to go into the preparation and qualify the examination with flying numbers. If you wish to have any kind of help from my end, Botany Insider have a lot of content for you all. We have our own applications. You can download that same from Play Store and enroll in the courses. You can prepare with me. I'll help you out in the best manner possible so that you can also qualify this examination and pursue your dream career. So this was about from my end. I just wanted to give you a quick strategy regarding how should you start preparing. So I was getting a lot of query regarding, ma'am, how should I prepare or how should I start off with my preparation? This particular video is for all those students. I hope this particular video would help you out. If yes, let me know in the comment sections below, and if you are facing out any other query as well, you can let me know. I'll try to solve it out and we'll work upon it together. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider, and also do not forget to download the application from the Play Store. Thank you for watching. Good luck.